Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you guys some things that I am doing differently this fall and winter season with my hair to meet my length retention goals. I had a goal last year, but I did not meet that goal. The reason why I did not meet my length retention goals is because I thought I was taking care of my hair really well, but I had some things that I needed to learn with my hair and how to actually maintain more length and get my hair to the point that I needed to. Also, I was just doing a lot last year from my birthday, which is April, till about like August. I was doing a lot. I was traveling and I needed to like really just get my hair out of the way and not really deal with it. And that left me getting braids and just doing other things that I should not have done. So this year, this fall, this winter, I don't have any plans. I don't have any trip plans. Next year, 2025, I'm going to be on very limited trips just because I have other goals, my hair being one of them. So I wanted to share with you guys some things that I will be doing, that I will be implementing to hopefully reach my length goal. First thing that I will not be doing, that I'm going to be changing up this fall and winter season and moving forward, is I will not be wearing ponytails, okay? I know I've said this before, I've said this a lot, but really, ponytails and slick backs and me do not get along. Like, my hair, I don't know if y'all can see it because of how I'm sitting, but like all around my ears, well, you can't really see it right now, but like my hair around like my ears and around like the back of my neck, it's just a lot shorter than what I would like for it to be. Anytime my hair was not looking how I wanted it to look or how I needed it to look, I would just slick it back in a ponytail. But this year, or not really this year because it's the same year, but going forward, I am less concerned with the aesthetics of my hair. Meaning, like, I'm not trying to fit into like the silky look all the time. I know that when I first cut my hair, like I think it was like June 2022, my hair grew so much that year, and it grew because I did not put my hair in a ponytail at all, like at all. I didn't put my hair in a ponytail, didn't really style it, didn't do anything, just let it be. And that's what I'm gonna do for the rest of this year and going forward for as long as I can. The second thing that I have changed with my hair care regimen that I've been doing every single day is oiling my hair at night. I want to make sure that I'm babying the ends of my hair and really taking care of them so that I can keep all or most of my hair. The reason why I was not moisturizing and sealing or adding any type of oils to my hair at night is because I really did not want my hair to have that weighed down look. I didn't want my hair to look stuck together. I always thought like, well, if my hair is like oily, my hair is gonna look thin. It doesn't look thin when it's oily or weighed down. It just doesn't move, which I don't really prefer that look, but I have to question myself and say, okay, which one do you want? Do you want hair that is a little bit stiffer and weighed down, or do you want armpit length hair for another year? The third thing that I am going to do when it comes to my hair, and that I'm going to be switching up with my relaxed hair care regimen, is getting back to consistency. I wash it every week. I deep condition every week. I do a hot oil treatment every week. I'm very consistent with that, but the things that I had kind of just let fall to the wind is my trims and getting my relaxers. And what I've noticed that for my hair, it does the best when it's on a clockwork schedule. I'm going back to consistently trimming my ends every 8 to 10 weeks. It's more likely gonna be on the 8-week scale, and I'm going back to getting my relaxers every 16 to 20 weeks, more so on the 16-week scale, just because I can keep up with everything and I'm not letting my hair go or losing myself and forgetting my hair treatments that has kept my hair what I want it to be for so long. The fourth thing that I am changing, that I will not be doing anymore when it comes to my relaxed hair, kind of goes in with number one, but I won't be using any harsh styling products no edge control, no gel, no harsh hairsprays. Any hairsprays that I use will have a flexible hold. I will not be using got to be glued spritz, nothing like that. They just make my hair like really dry and crunchy and brittle and break, and I don't like that. Edge control and gel is not good for my scalp. It just makes buildup on my scalp, which just makes my hair break off, makes my hair itchy and dry, and I don't like it, so I won't be using them. Hey y'all, while I was editing this video, I realized I forgot to mention that one of the other things I will be doing to meet my length retention goals and make my hair healthier overall is to work on protecting my hair from heat. In the past, I really was not using a true heat protectant. I would use like leave-in conditioner as my heat protectant, but going forward, I made sure to invest in an actual heat protectant, and I make sure that I use that. I've also began to air dry my hair a little bit longer before just going in straight away with my blow dryer to try to have less manipulation and also less heat on my hair. So I just wanted to add that in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're on a length retention goal like me and want to grow your hair out, let me know some things that you've been doing, or if you're basically doing the same thing that I'm doing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video.